Good morning, kids, and welcome back to your math class. As you know, we are studying the subtraction in our previous classes. So, kids, I will send a PDF to you all. So, you need to take a print of that PDF and you have to solve them in your math notebook and also take a print of that workbooks. Okay, it will be easy all to understand and solve them. So kids, now we will solve these examples. As you know, we subtract the numbers from bigger number. So now same way today again now I am going to solve the subtraction problems. So that we subtract the first, always we subtract the ones and then we go to a tens before regrouping. See, this is the first number which is from which the number we are going to subtract. So 52, 5 tens, 2 ones. 5 tens have been represented here and 2 ones are represented. So kids, in your previous class, in yesterday's live class, I have explained you that 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. So if 1 10 is there, how many ones will be there, kids? In 1 10 there will be a 10 ones. So now same way, if here from 2 you cannot subtract 9. So for that purpose what you will do? You will take from the tens. You will take from the tens. So from 5 tens, you will give 1 10 to ones. 1 10 to ones. And from here, now here are remaining 4 tens. So from here you will give 1 10 for this. So 10 ones will become 10 ones plus this 2 ones means 12 ones. 12 ones will become. From 12 ones you will subtract 9. Okay, you will subtract 9. Then what will remain? 3 ones will remain. And from 10, 1 10 you have given 2 ones. Then only 1 10 will remain. Why? Because from 4 tens you are going to subtract 3 tens. You are going to subtract 3 tens. So now here tens ones. First this chart is you have to make tens ones. Number 64. 64. From 64 you are going to subtract 28. From 64 you will subtract 28. So from 6 you will, now here you write 64 first. 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens and 4 ones. Okay, now from this, from here you will give from 4 ones you cannot subtract it. So for that what we will do? We will borrow. We will take 10 from tens place. 1 10 from tens place. So this we will take here 1. Okay, now already there are 4 ones. These are already here 4. Okay, now again you have taken 1 10 from this, means here 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now here 10 tens. How many tens? 6 tens are there. From 6 tens you have given 1 tens to this, means what will remain? Only 5 tens will remain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens are remaining. From 5 tens, now what you are going to subtract? Subtractant. What it is? 28. 28. So minus 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones you have subtracted now. Now what is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's are remaining. So difference is 6 now here ones. Now tens you calculate. How many tens you are going to subtract? It's 2. 1, 2. 2 you subtract. What is remaining? 1, 2, 3. So write here 3. 36. Write here also 36. Same way next one now. Before grouping and after grouping. Tens ones. 93 minus 56. 93 minus 56. 9 tens you write here first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many ones? 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. So from here, is it possible you want to subtract 56 from 93? Yes, but you cannot subtract 6 from 3. You cannot subtract 6 from 3. Okay, for that what you do? From 6 you cannot subtract 3. So for that what you will do? We will take borrowing. We will borrow from tens. So how many tens will become here now? 3 ones already are there. Right? These 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones are there. And 6 you cannot subtract. So for now what we will do here? 10. We will borrow from 10 here. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 plus 3, 13 are there. From 13 you can subtract now 6. Yes or no? 6 you subtract. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write here 7. Now from here are how many? 9 tens. But from this 1 we have given to this. How much is remaining now? 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From that we are going to subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ones are tens are remaining now? 3. So your answer is 37. Right here also. 37. Okay. Now next one. Tens and ones. 82 minus 38. Before regrouping what it is? 82. Write here 82. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2 ones. 1, 2. Now here tens. So you have to go into subtract 38. What you are going to subtract? 38. So from 2 you cannot subtract 8. So what you will do? You borrow 10 from tens. 1 10 you borrow. So this is 2 already. Now 10 you borrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So from 10 now 12. 10 plus 2 12. From 12 you are going to subtract 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 4 are remaining. Write 4 here. And 8. From 8 ones you 1 10 you given here. Now already given 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from 7, 3 tens you cancel. 1, 2, 3. 4 are remaining. So answer is 44. So kids, today here this answer you will write here also. 44. You understood how to subtract. Now what you have did here practically, that also you have to write here. I will tell you how to write. Listen, look here. From 6 you will borrow 1 10 to 14. So 6 will become 5 here and 4 will become 14 here. Okay, 9 will become 8 here because 1 you have given to this, and 3 will become 13 here. 8 will become 7 and 2 will become 12. Okay, we have done here. That only we have to represent with numerically. It will be easy for you and understanding. So kids, you all complete this. Take a PDF file ka print or a Xerox, and you all can solve on that copy. So it will be easy for you all for solving. So till that, have a nice day. Take it kids. We will meet in our next class.